Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check if someone reported you on Roblox. Now for this we will need to use our phone, so we just want to open up Roblox here, the Roblox application on our phone, and then what we have to do is press on more in the bottom right corner. Now here we'll scroll down until we see the option for help and safety. And once we have clicked on help and safety, you will see two sections here. So we have help and we have violations and appeals. So if somebody has reported you on Roblox, then you will find the reports here in violations and appeals. If we click on it, it's going to show us all of the reports which Roblox has received for us and whether we have been banned or not before. But here you will be able to appeal anything that or any reports which you may have experienced, and you can write to Roblox support by clicking like this, and you will describe your issue right here. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.